So, how do you go ahead and advertise your Airbnb with Facebook ads? All you need to do is open up your Facebook, come here, hover over the top right. Okay, click on your account. Then you must have a Facebook page, right? If you don't have one, go ahead and create a Facebook page. And then you just want to click on Meta Business Suite. And here is where you can manage your Facebook ads. Okay, now come here, click on Create an Ad. So, this is my profile. Okay, it is linked with Instagram as well. So you can also go ahead and promote on Instagram if you would like to do so. Now I'll create an ad. We'll create it in Ads Manager. And I'll go ahead and take this URL of my Airbnb right here. Now, as you can see, it shows here that I don't have an ad account yet. So I need to create one. So we're going to go ahead and click on Business Settings. So I'll click on this to go to our Business Settings. And then we can create an ad account first. So right here, we'll click on Add, as you can see, and I'll click on Create a new ad account. So what is the ad account name? I'll go ahead and choose this as Airbnb. Maybe you can choose the location. For example, this one is the Denver, right? I'll do Denver. You can add a time zone, whatever works for you. I'll do this, currency, US dollars. Go ahead and click on Next. Usage. This ad account will be used for what? My business, right? I'll do that. Click on Next. And then if you're sure you want to continue, it will be added to the Pioneer Legend business portfolio. It's okay. Toggle this one on. Create this ad account. As you can see, now it is initializing. So you just have to wait for a few seconds for Facebook. And now you can go ahead and add a payment info for your account. But for now, let's go ahead and create the ad first. So we have our ad account done, right? So I'll go back now. So Meta Business Suite, come here, click on Create Ad. You can use this as the AI feature, but what I'll just do, I'll just go ahead and click on Promote Your Page. Or you can also do website visitors. So if you don't want to go ahead and, add the Airbnb listing to your business page, right? You can go ahead and add the URL directly. So we're basically creating an ad to send people to our website. So I'll go ahead and click on that one just to show you. And then you can accept this. And you will need to verify your phone number for this ad account before you can run ads. That is perfectly fine. Now you can do your ad creative. For this, you can go ahead and use a post, right, to help convert better. And then you can add some media. And then let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've added this as a description. And then I'll add some media right here. So I'll come here, click on Select Media. You can drag and drop as well, or use your File Explorer. I'll basically be using all of these images right here. So I'll drag and drop. And there we go. Everything is currently uploading, as you can see. And you can highlight whichever you want to be the first one. Okay, you can select multiple images. You can go ahead and create a carousel. Go remove that. And then we'll upload more right now. All right, so I added about 5 images. As you can see, this one is a repeat. Let me go ahead and change that one. All right, there you go. And once you're happy, you can just come here and select that and use those images. Come here, click on Select. And as you can see, these will be the different media we have. And you can add a tagline, right? So let me add a nice headline. And I've added these as the headlines. And for example, you just need to add a website URL. You can copy this, paste it right here, and that error message is gone. Now you can go ahead and leverage Facebook's data to automatically deliver different ad creatives, variations to people. This will likely improve performance. Select your audience, right? You can go ahead and choose that. You can edit that as well. Or you can go ahead and choose specific people through targeting. But basically, you can just go ahead and choose and schedule the duration as well. Set a weekly budget, right? A daily budget as well. Choose everything right here and then go ahead and add your payment method. And then you can go ahead and publish that ad. It's really that easy and simple.